There's a misconception that says codes, whether they're engine codes or analog brake codes or anything, tell us what part to replace. I'd like to address that today. Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. So what we're working on today is a 2017 Jeep Renegade. Now it had two codes in the system, a C120201 and a C122764. Now both of those are related to the Antilock brake system, and they're codes for the sensor on the vacuum booster. They went to the local Jeep dealership, and the Jeep dealership said they thought it was a anti-lock brake control module, or computer if you will. For some reason they didn't have confidence in them, so they came to us. Let me show you what we actually found. So those codes, you cannot see the sensor because it's way down in there. But those codes are for the sensor for the vacuum booster. And what we actually found is it looks like a rodent got in here and chewed a wire. So when we talk about codes, we could have a bad part, we could have a bad computer misdiagnosing the part, or we could have a wiring problem like we have here today. I hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.